Hi, Marta Valle here with PosibleFloridaHomes.com, powered by MVP Realty. Today I'm bringing you the Valencia floor plan. This is actually the very first Valencia that has been built by Pulte and the only one thus far. It's a very versatile floor plan that I will show you. It comes standard with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms with over 4,300 square feet. This particular one has 5 bedrooms plus den and 4.5 bathrooms, but it can be upgraded to 7 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms. I will show you those options. It's really beautiful. It comes with a 2-car garage with also a tandem part on the left side. So let me show you. Pulte offers several different elevations, which is the front of the house, so we have lots of options there, and also different color options. You have a front porch, which can be enclosed. You have to ask the HOA for the requirements for the enclosure. As you come in, you have over here the dining area. And there are no hanging light fixtures, only high heads in the whole house. And over here you have what's called the flex room, which in this house was enclosed with a double door. And they added also a tray ceiling up here. This is actually the first big option. You can make this into a guest room suite. Then it becomes a little bit bigger with another bathroom down here and also a walk-in closet. So this space disappears at that point. Over here is the stairway to go up, and there's still some work going on here on the baseboards. And then here, straight ahead, is the kitchen, living, and dining area. Let me show you, there's a little storage space over here under the door, and it goes also around under the stairs. And then over here, you have the half bathroom. There's a mirror right now missing. That's still coming. Half bathroom, little storage space, a lot of storage in this house. And then also this entry area, mud area, where you can add some built-in cabinets. And this is the way to the garage. Lights, it's a 2-car garage. This one here has a 4-foot extension, and then it has this tandem part for the golf cart or storage. So it's a lot of storage also in the garage, as you can see. So this is a very beautiful, very upgraded kitchen that you can see here. The cabinets are upgraded, they have crown molding, it's an extended island, 2 different colors, absolutely gorgeous. Built-in appliances, the hood, wooden. Also all the knobs are upgraded. Everything is soft close because of the level of upgrades. Check out the backsplash. It's really beautiful. And now, over here you have the pantry. A lot of space here as well. So, let me show you from here. This is what's called the gathering room and the coffee area. Let me show it to you from here. This is the screened-in lanai. Everywhere in AvalonPark, you have, in AvalonPark and Ave Maria, you have a lake view. So this is a very large room. You can even hear the echo right now. And so just to show you from here, this is the entrance. Front left is the flex room, or that can be made into a guest suite. On the right, the half bathroom and the entrance to the garage. Really nice. Pulte also offers an upgrade on the windows, so these are actually impact windows. The lanai comes screened in standard. You can also extend it. You can add a pool. Over here there's a preparation over here for the outdoor kitchen, so for a sink. It can be vented. So we have the half bathroom downstairs. We have the den right now downstairs, which could also be a full suite, a bedroom with a bathroom and closet. So this here is actually another upgrade. Usually when the house comes standard, you do not have this room and this bathroom and walk-in closet, but this is a loft. Right now this one was converted into another bedroom. So let me start with the master bedroom, which is over here to the right. And this is actually, let me show you beforehand. This is another one of these amazing storage areas. There's a big walk-in closet without any hangers right here. And this is actually part of another possible change of this floor plan, which I will explain in a moment. Just across is the laundry area upstairs. Really nice. You can add a utility sink. You can add cabinets. There's also again here some storage space as well. Lots of storage space over here. These are upgraded washers and dryers. And so this is actually the way the master bedroom comes standard. It has a big seating area here, or you could even put the bed there and use this area differently. It's very large because it's actually possible, and over here's the master bathroom. It's actually possible to upgrade this area to another bedroom, and then that closet that we saw there becomes the walk-in closet, and you can go through to the bathroom that's right behind this wall. So that's another extra bedroom that you can add to this floor plan. This here is the master bathroom, also with dual sink and very upgraded. So like as soon as you extend the shower, which is the way it is here, or if you add a shower, and if you have a shower comes standard, but if you add a tub or you extend the shower, the walk-in closets combine. So this is right now just one walk-in closet. Usually you would have the entrance here, you would have another entrance here to a second walk-in closet. So right now you have a very large walk-in closet. Lots of space. So they're combined right now because the shower is extended. So usually you have the loft over here. So this whole area from there up to more or less here would be a loft area just open. So let me show you the bedrooms that usually are here. Oh, over here you have the two AC units for upstairs and downstairs. So you have one bedroom here, and this is one that has its own bathroom, which would be the shared bathroom if you added the bedroom in the master, out of that seating area in the master bedroom. So you would have a shower here, I believe, and you could connect it. Not quite sure about the shower. And then here you have a walk-in closet. All the bedrooms have walk-in closets. So this bedroom is usually here. This bedroom is usually here. This one has a really nice walk-in closet with a window, actually. So you're looking out to the front over here. So again, there's one bedroom right here. We just went to the one behind me. The stairway is here. This is usually the loft area. Over here is another bathroom, and another closet. Lots of storage space. So here's the bathroom. This would be the one that would be shared. There's a light fixture here missing right now. These are also upgraded tiles and lots of really beautiful upgrades in here. Again, this bedroom. This is the one also looking towards the front. The master bedroom is in the back. And again, walk-in closet. Very nice size, very large. So this home has a lot of versatility and a lot of storage space. Even here again, a small linen closet. So it's not even that small. So now let me show you this extra bedroom. So we have the stairway that comes up here. Master bedroom back there, laundry room. And then here's the extra bedroom. So this one is added if you convert the loft into the bedroom. So it comes with a walk-in closet here. Also very large. And its own bathroom. So like I said, right now, this home is 5 bedrooms plus then 4.5 bathrooms. You can actually make it into 7 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms. So again, please give me a call if you have any questions or if I can help you with any new construction or resales in Ave Maria. 239-232-5563. And remember, if you go to see new construction, please bring your realtor. You do not pay more if you bring your realtor. You do not get a better deal if you don't bring a realtor. But if you do bring a realtor, you are represented. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you.